Welcome friends. Have you ever heard such type of phrase? Had been sitting, had been licking, had been standing, had been eating, had been laughing, had been writing. I think of course you have heard these phrases along with other words. This had been plus V4, that is present participle, are the characteristic feature of past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense describes an action in a situation where the action began in one time in past and continued up to some another time in past. In order to denote some other time in past, certain adverbial phrase of time are used, like when, before, by the time, uh, since, for. So past perfect continuous tense is the tense of absolute past in which a work begins, completes its some course, and continued up to a certain time of past. The structure of past perfect continuous tense goes subject plus had plus been plus before plus object. Its negative is found by placing not between had and been. A structure will be subject plus had plus not plus been plus before plus object. You can use past perfect tense in I can give you one example that in such cases you can use past perfect continuous tense. We had been meeting every week to complete that project. We had been meeting every week to complete that project. You can also use in the case by the time plumber came, the ceiling had been leaking. When plumber came, he repaired and leaking stopped. But by that particular time, the action continued and it began in sometimes in past. The leaking began sometimes in past and continued up to the time of plumber's coming. So in such cases, past perfect continuous tense is used. You can form interrogative by placing had before the subject, had plus subject plus been plus before plus object. So this is all about past perfect continuous tense. and in this way our past tense is complete. In next session I will start future tense. Thank you very much.